Cloud Recruitment System. In today's quick tutorial, we will be exploring the Human Resources section in our system. This hub plays a crucial role in managing various aspects of the HR. Let's jump right in and take a closer look at the four distinct subsections it offers. First up, we have the Employees Data section. This is where you can find detailed information about each employee in your organization, from their names, departments, to job titles, and more. Everything you need is right here. The key features include three different viewing options, allowing you to customize how you review your data. Whether you prefer a report view, card view, or detailed view. Also, the employee section can provide valuable indicators to distinguish between active and non-active users by using colors indicators such as the red color. This section has you covered for easy navigation. Moving on to the local brokers data section, where we provide a comprehensive showcase of each broker in your network, along with their affiliated workers. This detailed information is seamlessly integrated into the request section, offering a holistic view of recruitment activities. In this dedicated space, you gain instant insights into the performance of local brokers, easily discern the number of requests attributed to each broker, enabling you to distinguish between their effective and ineffective contributions. This streamlined approach empowers you to make informed decisions, enhancing the efficiency and success of your recruitment endeavors. Now, let's explore the Foreign Office Agents data section, which is a counterpart to our local brokers data section. Here, you will find a comprehensive overview of all external agents within your network. This dedicated section not only showcases key details about each foreign agent, but also offers a direct snapshot of their worker status, whether they are in process, blacklisted, or available for recruitment. With this detailed information at your fingertips, you can efficiently manage your international network, track the status of each worker, and make well-informed decisions to optimize your recruitment processes. This integrated approach ensures transparency and effectiveness in overseeing your engagement with foreign office agents. Last but not least, we have the employee salary section. This is where you can manage monthly salary payrolls. Our accountants comprehensively review and approve the payroll. Once approved, the system issues direct automated entries, streamlining the payment process. You can easily generate payment vouchers by selecting the employee's name, year, and month, and the salary details will appear based on the approved accounting entries. It's a seamless and efficient way to handle employee compensation. If you want to dive deeper into the details and see these features in action, head over to our YouTube channel where you can watch the full video demonstration. We are dedicated to providing you with the tools and resources you need to excel in your recruitment endeavors. Thank you for considering Golden Cloud Recruitment System.